Hi everyone, welcome. In my opinion, one of the best areas to focus on when you're learning another language is the verbs and the verb system. If you can master the verbs and the verb system, you will have a very nice foundation for the language. Remember that a sentence is a complete thought and you cannot express a complete thought without a verb. So this lesson is designed to just help you hone your skills with a particular verb, the verb parler. Can you say he speaks, he's going to speak, and he spoke? This is present, future, and past, or past, present, and future. So test yourself. Can you say he speaks? In French, the answer is il parle. Il parle. He's going to speak. This would be the futur proche, the near future. He's going to speak. Il va parler. Il va parler. And then finally, past tense, he spoke. This is the passé composé. Il a parlé. Il a parlé. So we've covered all of these tenses so far in our course, in our ongoing course. Okay, so did you get that? Take a look at this. I'm going to quiz you one more time. Are you ready? Did you master it? How do you say he speaks? He speaks. Il parle. He's going to speak. Il va parler. And he spoke. Il a parlé. Keep repeating this until you've got all three of them, and then you've really learned something. Thanks for watching, and remember that practice builds the skill. And I'm also putting all of these similar videos in a playlist. So if you'd like to work with all of them together, look for the playlist, and I'll have a link also in the description. Thanks for watching.